Hi, so I'm Martha on the Central Coast of California, and I'm going to tidy up my classroom the entire month of September. Hopefully, no, I will have it done by November. Bye, see you next time. Here's my classroom, September 2023. Before I tidy up, take a look. I'm going to use Marie Kondo's method again. I'm a digital teacher, so here's my actual workspace over here. I'll come around here and show you. Yes, so a lot of work to do. And I actually made these flowers out of paper, copier paper. Maybe one day we'll do a DIY and I'll show you how to make those. And then my backdrop is a photographer's backdrop. It was only like $15 on Amazon, but it's perfect as a digital teacher. The perfect backdrop. Okay, so I'll walk around each area of the classroom. So this is before using Marie Kondo's tidying up method. I have a pretty neat classroom, but it can still use tidying up. This counter is a problem area for me, as you can see. Yeah. So this is my classroom. Tell me what you think. And if you have any suggestions or ideas, let me know. Right now, I just use the posters, let me show you, to sort of hide things away, right? So if you have a classroom and you're trying to tidy up your classroom, please leave some tips and suggestions below. Let me know.